Hello again everyone, Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to February 2022's How to Kill a Kit with Style, my kit that I'm going to be focusing on for 2022's February. I keep messing that up and I don't know why, but we're not stopping. So I decided to go with an all Disney theme, and I am going to basically come in here and get as many of these layouts right here, pictures, scrapped as possible, as they are all from Disney and our vacation. So yep, that's quite a lot. So I just pulled everything, stopped playing with you know, vacation photos because we made it into the Disney's part of the trip, and I thought it would just be easier to lump them all together and just have a ball. So there's a lot in here, you guys, and when I say there's a lot, I mean there's a lot in here. This is all the papers. I actually think I have more papers than I have embellishments, so we may pull in some stuff from my massive vacation kit that is still sitting out, and eventually I'm hoping to just get this vacation trip done, and then I don't have to, you know, I can put something else in there. So I've got this very old, I say that several times because, Lord, this is an EK Success brand. I don't even, 2015. I have had this since 2015 because, you know, we have taken, I and my son have taken plenty of Disney vacations. So this is just here. It is what it is. I don't even know if you've seen them. It's very old. It's double-sided. It has been used. I've used it several times, but we're going to try to use as much of this up as possible. It is basically Mickey and Minnie. That is like, it's Mickey Mouse and Friends, but the only friend in there is Minnie. There's nobody else in there. And then I have this very fun collection from Reminisce, which is the Space Warp. So it's Space Wars. This is Space Warp. So we are going to get these used for, you know, I'm going to use this all up on that Star Wars layout. We have this sheet. Let's see how many we can get used up. This is very glossy, very shiny, and just very beautiful. I don't even know which way you look at this sheet, but there's two of each, so it goes this way. So it goes that way. But I bought it solely for this vacation, two of those. We will be getting all of that used up. I do have the Simple Stories Say Cheese 2 collection in here. So we have this one, this one, that one. Oh, and this is now the close to my heart Happiest Place collection. So they're all intertwined and mixed together. So there will be several duplicates of them, but a lot of these can be used for other things as well. And you have seen me pull these in throughout my vacation layout. So we will just keep going. That one makes my eyes dizzy, but see, I need to get them all organized, which I will. We've already seen those. I ended up getting like 3 of those collections, or 4, from close to my heart. Back to the Say Cheese. You will be seeing the Cut Aparts make its way in there for the Cut Apart Crazy collection series that I am playing along with and joined with some wonderful, fabulous creators. It was Laura Albert's brainchild. This is also the Echo Park Magic and Wonder. So we've got 2 of those. And like I said, they're all mixed up. They're all just kind of however I threw them in there. Then we have the Echo Park Magic Adventure. And I cannot wait to just start using all of these fun pattern papers and just get some Disney going, right? So then you have this one, and then you have the cut apart on the back of that. And these two cut apart. So that is all the paper. I know. Oh, I know. Right? That's enough paper to last a lifetime. So, then I do have these. This is what's left over from some other kits. This is the Happiest Place acrylic shapes. So we've got the castle in there and some bows and stuff, so I do want to use those. I have these cute little acetate tickets. I have several strips of those I picked up at a local craft booking store. We've got some washi in here that's from Carpe Diem. I always want to say Carpe Diem, but it's just not. I've got the Say Cheese wood veneer pieces. Say Cheese, that was Say Cheese 2. This is Say Cheese 4. These little kids, we're going to try to tuck all them in. I have the Say Cheese 4 sticker book here. The little kids are going to be the hardest to use because I don't have little kids. I even have the Echo Park Lost in Neverland decorative brads because Peter Pan. Figure I can get some of those used on there. We did do some stuff. Just some random, these are simple stories, little sayings. I'm going to try to get those used up. The puppy stickers from Echo Park. And then I have these little guys, which they're 2 full sheets. I've used some of them. I have no idea where they're from, but they are Disney. I have no idea if this stuff is going to get used, but it was in a sticker book, and I'm trying to get rid of those because I have no idea why. I think they're from the dollar store, but they're the Disney princesses. This is from Michael's, but it's a Disney Mickey. I have some Care Bears. I'm not real sure about that. This is just the Mickey's Playhouse with some Mickey characters in there. I'm going to try to get those used up. My name a lot, but some of the characters. So those are all the pictures. And then I have this entire thing here. I did put this in here. This is the Spiegelman Scraps Wonderland. That's all the sequins I have left. I want to kill that off. And then I have like Star Wars and Winnie the Pooh. And there's just, this thing is chocked full of all kinds of Disney ephemera that's loose. Not going to go through that whole thing. I do have these 2 stamp sets. These are both from Close to My Heart. This is the Princess Castle and the Happiest Place with the dies with them as well. I want to remember to bring those in. And then I have the Magical Avenger chipboard sheet. I do have some scraps that I have saved because, like I said, I was playing with this. This was all in one massive kit for my vacation, so I just kept them as I was using them. And then the 12 by 12 sheets. So this goes with the Reminisce collection. This goes with the Echo Park Magic Wonder, Magical Adventures. I've got some more scraps. And then this is from the Close to My Heart. So that is it. That is my massive Disney kit for February of 2022. Let's see how many of these I can get scrapped and how much of this I can kill off. Linked down below, I will have every other lovely creative that is putting a kit together for February, and their kit reveal will be linked as well. Check them out and see what they decided to create for February, and wish them luck because we are killing stuff off in 2022. So that is going to do it. I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.